Sending USDT on TRON and paying expensive TRX fees? Before you send another transaction, here's a simple way many users reduce those costs. Instead of paying the full TRX fee every time, you can rent TRON Energy first. Let's walk through exactly how to do it. Open the official JustLend DAO website and navigate to the energy rental page. Always double-check you're using the official website before connecting your wallet. Enter the amount of energy you want to rent. The platform provides an estimate to help you choose the amount you need. Select how long you want to rent the energy. Choose a rental period that matches how many transfers you plan to make. Connect your TRON wallet. By default, the rented energy is assigned to your connected wallet. Some services also allow you to rent energy for another wallet address. Review the energy amount, rental period, and total cost. If everything looks correct, approve the transaction in your wallet. Once your rented energy is available, return to your wallet and send your TRC20 USDT. If enough energy is available, your transaction can use it instead of burning as much TRX for fees. TRON uses resources called energy and bandwidth, smart contract transactions, including TRC20 USDT transfers, consume energy. If your wallet doesn't have enough energy, TRX is normally used to pay the transaction fee. If you send TRC20 USDT frequently, renting energy may be more cost-effective than paying TRX transaction fees every time. The more transfers you make, the more useful energy rental can become. Be careful of websites promising unlimited free energy or free USDT transfers. Never enter your recovery phrase or private keys into any website. Always verify the website address before connecting your wallet. Review every transaction carefully before approving it. Need to send USDT to multiple wallets? MyCryptoView AI Multisender helps simplify bulk token transfers across supported blockchain networks. You'll find the MyCryptoView AI Multisender link in the video description. Remember, rent energy before sending, use trusted platforms, verify every transaction, and never share your recovery phrase. That's how TRON Energy rental works and how it may help reduce TRC20 USDT transaction fees. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more crypto tutorials and blockchain security tips.